Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to record using both front and rear cameras at the same time on your Samsung Galaxy phone. To do this, first open the camera app. Now, tap on this More option at the bottom. This will bring up a bunch of options. Here, select this Director's View option. Once dual recording is enabled, you should see this picture-in-picture mode that will allow you to record using both cameras. You can move this front camera window at any place you like. You can tap this download icon right at the top if you want to save both front and rear camera footage as separate video files. Or, if you want to keep it like as it is previewed, tap on it again. You can also tap this view type option in the top right corner. Here, you can enable this split view mode. This will basically split the screen 50-50. Once everything is set up, hit the record button and you will be able to capture video using both front and rear cameras at the same time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.